Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a DIY Ahope garden seed pod. I will be using a piece of paper towel which will break down over time and will benefit the soil structure. Just watch as I fold the paper into shape. Here I have 2 watermelon seeds that I will be planting. Now I will soak the DIY pod into a cup with water just for a few seconds as the paper towel evaporates the water quickly. I will now insert the DIY seed pod into the planting hole and also cover it with the protective dome for germination. The germination process took just 6 days. It has developed very nice roots, and I think this is a very cost-effective method. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please give the video a like and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.